In today's digital age, social media platforms have become essential tools for businesses of all sizes to connect with their audiences. Among these platforms, Facebook stands out due to its extensive reach and powerful advertising capabilities. For local businesses, leveraging Facebook ads can be a game changer in attracting nearby customers, building brand awareness, and driving revenue growth. This guide will explore how to effectively use Facebook ads to fuel your local business growth. We'll cover everything from understanding Facebook's ad ecosystem to designing impactful campaigns tailored to your community. Chapter 1. Why Facebook ads matter for local businesses. 1.1. The power of Facebook's reach. Facebook boasts over 2.9 billion monthly active users, making it one of the most widely used platforms globally. For local businesses, this translates to the ability to target users within specific geographic areas, ensuring your ads reach the right people. Benefits of Facebook ads for local businesses. Cost-effective advertising. Compared to traditional advertising methods like print or radio, Facebook ads allow you to control your budget and maximize ROI. Precise targeting. Utilize features such as location-based targeting, interests, and demographics to reach your ideal audience. Engagement opportunities. Facebook ads can drive immediate actions, such as clicks to your website, store visits, or phone calls. Local success stories. Highlighting real-world examples of local businesses that achieved growth through Facebook ads can inspire and guide your strategy. For instance, a small coffee shop might use Facebook ads to promote a new menu item and see an increase in foot traffic. Adding to this, consider a boutique clothing store using carousel ads to display its latest collection, or a fitness center offering a limited-time membership discount. These campaigns can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity, driving both online engagement and in-person visits. Chapter 2. Setting up your Facebook ad account. Creating a business manager account. Visit Facebook Business Manager to set up your account. Add your business details, including your name, email, and payment methods. Installing the Facebook Pixel. The Facebook Pixel is a powerful tool that tracks user interactions on your website. This data helps optimize your ads for better performance. Steps. Access the Pixel setup in your Business Manager. Add the Pixel code to your website. Test the Pixel to ensure it's working correctly. By installing the Pixel, you can also enable advanced matching options. This enhances data accuracy by sending hashed customer information, like email addresses, for better targeting and analytics. Understanding Facebook's ad objectives. Facebook offers a range of ad objectives tailored to different business goals. Awareness, ideal for reaching as many people as possible. Consideration, encourages users to engage, visit your website, or download an app. Conversion, drives actions like purchases or sign-ups. Each objective has unique optimization options, such as link clicks for consideration campaigns or value-based optimization for conversion-focused efforts. Familiarizing yourself with these nuances will help you choose the right approach for your business. Chapter 3. Crafting your ad strategy. Defining your goals. Before creating an ad, identify what you want to achieve. Increase foot traffic to your store. Promote a new product or service. Generate leads or newsletter sign-ups. Think about measurable goals, like boost website traffic by 20% in 30 days, or increase sales by 15% during a promotional week. Clear objectives guide your campaign's structure and evaluation. Knowing your audience leverage. Facebook's Audience Insights tool to understand your target demographics, interests, and behaviors. For local businesses, focus on geographic location. Target users within a specific radius of your business. Age and gender. Tailor ads to your ideal customer profile. Interests. Align your ads with activities or topics your audience cares about. Deepening this understanding could involve surveying existing customers or analyzing social media engagement. These insights make your ad campaigns more relevant and effective. Creating a content plan. Develop engaging content that resonates with your audience. Visuals. Use high-quality images or videos showcasing your products or services. Ad copy. Write compelling headlines and descriptions that emphasize benefits. Call to action. CTA. Encourage users to take specific actions such as visit us today or shop now. Plan your content around seasonal trends or local events. For instance, a florist could run ads promoting holiday bouquets or wedding packages, designing effective ads. Choosing the right ad format. Facebook offers various ad formats to suit different goals. Image ads, simple and effective for showcasing a product. Video ads, great for storytelling and capturing attention. Carousel ads, highlight multiple products or services in a single ad. Event ads, promote local events and drive attendance. Additionally, explore new formats like collection ads, which combine visuals and product catalogs, or instant experience ads for immersive storytelling. These formats cater to different engagement levels and objectives. Writing impactful copy. Be concise and clear. Use action-oriented language. Include testimonials or social proof, if applicable. For example, phrases like join thousands of satisfied customers or rated 5 stars by locals build trust and credibility. Using visuals to your advantage, ensure images and videos are high resolution. Add text overlays sparingly to convey essential details. Use bright and contrasting colors to grab attention. Incorporate branding elements like logos or consistent color schemes to reinforce your business identity. Chapter 5. Targeting your local audience. Geo-targeting use. Facebook's location. Targeting to set a radius around your business address. Exclude irrelevant areas to optimize your budget. Consider seasonal adjustments. A beachside cafe might target tourists during summer months, while a ski rental shop focuses on winter travelers. Custom audiences. Upload your customer email list to create a custom audience. This allows you to retarget existing customers or find similar profiles through lookalike audiences. To enhance this, segment your audience by purchase history or engagement level. For example, loyal customers might receive exclusive offers, while new leads get introductory discounts. Interest-based targeting. Refine your audience further by selecting interests relevant to your business, such as coffee lovers for a cafe. Combine interest targeting with behavioral data, like recent travelers or online shoppers, to create highly specific audience profiles. Chapter 6. Budgeting and scheduling your ads. Setting a budget. Daily budget, ideal for consistent performance over time. Lifetime budget, best for time-sensitive campaigns. Optimizing ad spend. Start with a small budget and gradually increase based on performance. Use A/B testing to determine which ad creatives and audiences yield the best results. Choosing the right schedule run ads during peak business hours to maximize visibility and engagement. If your store sees higher foot traffic during weekends, schedule ads to align with these patterns. Chapter 7. Measuring and analyzing results. Key metrics to monitor reach and impressions. How many people saw your ad? Click-through rate, CTR. Percentage of users who clicked on your ad. Conversion rate. Percentage of users who completed a desired action. Using Facebook Ads Manager. Facebook Ads Manager provides detailed analytics and performance reports. Regularly review these insights to refine your strategy. Adjusting campaigns for better results. Pause underperforming ads. Reallocate budget to high-performing campaigns. Experiment with new ad creatives or audience segments. Chapter 8. Tips for long-term success. Building a community. Engage with your audience through comments, messages, and posts. Strong relationships foster loyalty and word-of-mouth referrals. Staying updated. Social media trends and algorithms change frequently. Stay informed about updates to Facebook's advertising tools and best practices. Experimenting with new features. Explore features like Messenger ads, stories, and reels to diversify your ad strategy. Stay ahead by analyzing competitors' campaigns and adapting new techniques that resonate with your audience. Conclusion. Facebook ads offer unparalleled opportunities for local businesses to connect with their communities and drive growth. By understanding the platform's capabilities, crafting strategic campaigns, and continually optimizing performance, you can turn Facebook into a powerful ally for your business. Take the first step today. Set up your Facebook ad account, define your goals, and watch your local business thrive.